Welcome back, guys. The next thing I want to do is to sell this particular email marketing course I'm creating. I want to sell it. Like, I want to use this email campaign to sell it. So what we're going to do is that we have the prompt right here, and this is what the prompt looks like. But right now I want to create a campaign, so I'll click on create, and I'll create an email campaign right here. Then it will be a or B testing. Let's try the A or B testing. So I'll choose the A or B testing, and there will be a name for the A or B testing, and there will be select test partner, like send details, subject, sender details, email content, then select the size of test group. Then we can say like maybe 50% and 24 of recipients, 44 of recipients. Version will then be sent to the other 52% of your list. You get, like, this divided the first two, then it's going to send the one that wins inside the 24% that was sent will be sent to the remaining 52%. That's how A or B testing works here on Zoro campaign. And decide winner by open rate or click rate. So we're going to decide winner by open rate. Test duration should be, let's say, 23 hours. If results are inconclusive, then send version A. Yes, let's do it that way. That's what A or B testing is actually. So that's what it entails. So now I'll make this email marketing A or B test. Yeah, let's do it this way. Then we have the subject, the sender details, the email content. Then we're going to next that. We're going to select test parameter. So the test parameter could be the subject. Maybe we want to like test two different subject line, or want to test sender details, or want to test the email content itself. So I'll just test the subject line. So that will be our parameter, and I'll next that. So we're going to have two versions of this email, which is two subjects, A or B. Okay, like I've explained it now that we have two of the like contents, and see how it goes. So now what I want to do now is to use the subject where our discounts are underrated. So I'll come to ChatGPT and say give me an A or B test, subject, email, subject, parameters with this subject. So I'll put the subject we just copied. I'll put the control V, why are discounts so underrated. So I'm going to send this. Let's see, it says why are discounts so underrated, then discover why discount underrated. So let's choose one of these. Okay, so let's use this one that has a name. Let's use this that would comprise the name. So we are going to use this as to paste. Then here we're going to A is going to be the contact's first name here. So we're going to say A. Ever wondered why discount are so underrated for this? Why this other one? We're going to use the first subject line, which was why are discounts so underrated. That was the one I did from the very beginning. Then I used A. Ever wondered why discounts are so underrated? So we're going to use this for the subject line, which is this is the A testing and this is the B testing. So the one that gets to win will be selected and be sent to the remaining audience. And the sender name will be beloved Adejigwe, of course, will be beloved Adejigwe. And reply to single address. We're going to leave all these. And so I'm going to next this. So we can choose one of these two. Is either pre-designed template or basic template. So we can use the pre-designed or we can use the basic. I'll try to use the pre-designed template so we see what to use. Then here we have the prompt: start a copy, discount as underrated. Why? Knowing is more like driving. So and I'll do this discount, and I'll be offering you the same underrated discount for my Udemy course on email marketing, on how to make money writing emails, and you can earn as much in USD with this course and guide. I'll guide you through how to use AI tools. Okay, you say AI tools to write and market emails and make a whole lot of money from it. with a call to action button to discounted GDM course. So I'm going to use this prompt. Yeah. So I'm going to prompt this and I'll copy, then I'll prompt this to ChatGPT. I'll just paste this. I'll just paste it, Control V, then I'll prompt it. So let's see what it brings. It said discounts are so underrated. Why? Knowing is more like diving into the psychology of humans. And yeah, we are going to use this particular to design our like email. So what we're going to do now is to take a template, and we have events templates and others. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is to take one of these templates for these. And which of the templates can we use? So this is sales promotion templates. I would love to see one of these templates, and this is a newsletter, and yeah, we can choose any of these templates actually. So let me try and choose one of these templates and we'll see what it looks like. So I'll select this template. Let me select this template. I'm having to select this template. I'll just do the basic editing then. So here we have the template and it's looking all good. So I'll have this place deleted. We don't need a logo. We just want to send straight up. So I'll delete this part and say delete. Then we have it starting from here. So what I'm going to do right here is to change this banner. I'm going to change this. So I'm going to upload a fresh banner. I'm going to upload from my computer. I have a banner for the email marketing course. So I'm going to just upload something like this. I'm going to upload something like this. Let's see how it goes. So I'll use this image I just uploaded, and the image will be what I'll use here. So I have that change already, and yeah, we are going to have like the blue. We're going to have the blue color change to white so that it rhymes with what we are trying to do. And to do that, I'll just change the white here, and I have something like this. I have something like this right now. So I'm going to leave this and just put something cashy here. And coming back to ChatGPT, I have discount also underrated. Why? I'll just put this and come here. Let's type that discount so underrated. I'll be like why? Then I'm going to have this removed. So it starts this way: discounts are so underrated. Why? So we're going to leave that, and we're going to this call to action. Yeah, we have the call to action down. So we're going to delete this call to action actually. So I'm going to delete that. Join now. And we don't have anything right there. So we have discount as underrated. Why? Then I'll put something like this. I'll put something like first name right here, and I'll leave this out, their first name. So it's going to take the first name of the like recipient of the email. Then I'm going to edit this. I'm going to use this parameter knowing, and yeah, and knowing is more like, so we're going to, yes, you heard that right. Okay, let me copy this and come back here. So we have something like this, and yeah, we have something like this, which this says 14, why this says area. So we're going to change this to Lato 14 as well, and we're going to try to change it to Lato 14, Lato, and we're going to try to change it to 14. So we have something like this as well. So I'm going to cancel that with backspace. I'm going to leave this, and it says knowing is more like diving into the psychology of humans, of which I'm not a psychologist but a tech instructor wants to sell. And guess what? I'm offering you the same underrated discount on my Udemy course on how to make money writing emails. And right here, I'm going to say watch this video to learn more about this course. I'm going to, and about inserting a video, watch this video to learn more about this course. I can, as you can see, it's sent to a link, like a link was entered. So what I'm going to do is to input the course link. I'm going to come to the course Love That AGB, and I'm going to have something like this. And coming to this place, I'm going to have this email marketing course, and I'll open that. Then the link to the email marketing course will be shared to me. And having this, I'm going to try to copy the link to this email marketing course. And to do that, let me check for the promotional link. Let me check for the link, and because I want to create a coupon, I'm going to come to the instructor dashboard of my email marketing course, and I'm going to copy the link from I'm going to use it to create a coupon and copy the link. So I'm going to come to the edit, and I'll try to do some promotions. And having to do some promotions, I can just create a coupon. I can create a a coupon, like create new coupon. Then I'll create for custom price. It can be current best price. I'll just paste for this like 31 days, and I can set my price to like $5. Please enter the price above. Okay, I can set it like $13. Then I can copy, and let's have the coupon. So we have this. I'll just create the coupon, then I'll copy this, then I'll come back to what we're trying to do here, and I'm going to try to copy this into here. Then I'm going to paste and leave this. I'll say course preview. So having to say course preview, I'm going to just leave it at done, and here we have image. We have an image. So I'm going to try to edit this, and having to edit this, I'll have to take this out to bring in mine. So I'll change the image. I'll change the image right now. I'll upload for my computer, and I'll use something like this to cover up for my image. Then I would use this particular image. Having to use this particular image is going to change this. So we have something like this, and I'll just like crop it like this. Then I'll save and close. So I have something like this. Watch this video to learn more about the course. Then I have to copy this. I have to put this back somewhere here. So we have something like this, and I'll just paste this somewhere here, control, and I'm going to change it to Lato and 14. So we have this, and watch this video to learn more about this course. Then at this place we're going to add ready to skyrocket your email marketing skill, boost your income, don't miss out on this limited offer. Click here to control. So I'm going to just copy and paste it here, which I'll use Control V to do that. Okay, so I'll just remove this. So we have something like this. I'm going to change this to Lato as well. Lato 14. So I have something like this, and remember this will be enroll now, not join now. This will be enroll now. Then I have something like this. Then I'll copy the link. I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to come back here to paste the link that we're going to use, and it's going to open a new window there. I've done that. Then we have enroll now, and in the past we've achieved, like I can say 50 plus students and 20 plus reviews. Okay, then I'll be like 3 courses. I have 3 courses already, so I'll leave this, and I'll say in the past I have achieved. So I'll use I, since it's a personal brand email. I have achieved. Okay, so I'll do that. Then the customer testimonials, I can just put one of the testimonials I have on my page. So I'm going to check some of the testimonials I have on my page, then I'll use that as my testimonial. So I'll come back here and come to my Udemy, and I'll try to check reviews. So when you open this, you're going to see reviews from people, and I'll take one of those reviews. So having to open this, these are reviews from people, and I can take any of these reviews to use. I can just take this, I can say this, I can take this, I'll copy this and take this, then I'll paste this right here. So I can leave something like this testimonial, then I can remove this part. Let me just remove this part. It's not needed. So let me just remove all these parts, all these testimonial parts, so we can keep it short and simple. I'm going to just delete the testimonial parts, and this way we'll be able to design our email. All we have to do is to proceed. So I'm going to delete all these parts. Delete. I'll delete this part as well. Delete. Then we have something like this, and it's not looking bad at all. So this is our email. This is the email I just designed, the newsletter I just designed. So all I have to do is to change these parameters, Bill-Trans all across, Bill-Trans, and here as well, Bill-Trans. I'm on Pinterest now as Bill-Trans. So YouTube, we have at Bill-Trans as well, at Bill-Trans. Then Instagram would have Bill-Trans. Now I have this email marketing like I have this course, email marketing course, trying to sell this particular course here. I'm going to proceed with this. So having to proceed is saving the content already, and we'll be able to choose our recipient, and we're able to finalize this particular part of the course. This is what I have right here. I have the content, and the content is not looking bad, so I can preview and test what it is. I can preview and test here, and this is what it looks like. Campaign preview. This is what it looks like, and it's looking not bad at all. Then I can test it. So I can send to my email to test, and I can say version A and B. So send me version A and B, and it will be an HTML. So I can send test. I can send test email to myself and see what it looks like. I'll come to my Gmail account to check what that test would look like. So coming back here, we have a test sent, and I can check my Gmail and try to see what the test email looks like. So I'll wait to wait for it to load. Here we have the two test email. This is the first one, which says, why are discounts so underrated? Ever wondered why discounts are so underrated? So we can open any of those, and here I have their first name, and we have something like this. It's going to pick the first name of the person is sending it to, and we have something like this. Coming back here to edit, I've given it a second thought. I think we should try to edit this a first name. We should try to edit that part. So I'm going to edit the content, because during our mailing list import, I don't think we imported the first name. So I'm just going to use some generic that would cover everyone despite who you are. So I'm just going to say dear respected. Okay, so I'm going to have some size dear respected, then I'll proceed. So we've seen the test email, and the test email looks so good. So we're going to proceed and try to like have this sent out. So I have this, and all I have to do is to next, and having to next this, it takes me to the fourth step, which is the recipient. So I'm going to pick the list we're going to send to, and I want to send to my list, which is the sales funnel, the Udemy students, and the sample list. Actually, I'll send to everyone, then I'll next this. So we have the three lists. It's sending to the three list actually, and I'll have it sent, and I'll say send later. And having to send later, I'll choose a date. I'll choose like a Monday. I'll choose like a Monday to send this. So I have a Monday to send this, and I have the time. I have like 10 p.m. to send it. Let me send 10 a.m. on Monday, and I'm going to schedule that. So A and B will be sent, and the sender name, the sender address, the recipient details, and the campaign tracking. So we have all these like split test, and this is the split test. The 24% of the A will be sent to like 24% of people on the list, and the B will be sent to 24% of people on the list, and the remaining 52% will get the like winning version, which is the winner type is open rate, and the type preference is version A if it goes well, and the test runs for 23 hours, which is just Monday. By Tuesday is going to send the main subject to the main 52%. Then we have something like this here. Should we ever wondered? So I'll leave it this way. Then so having to next this means we are going to have these emails sent out right now, and that will be the fifth step of this email. So here we have this, then I'm going to next that. Then the fourth step, we've chosen the recipient, and I'm going to next this, and having to next this would approve the campaign. We'll be able to schedule the campaign. We're able to schedule your campaign. Go ahead, and that way we've come to an end of this particular session. I hope to see you in my next lesson. See you there.